So the browser context means, let me show you that also we can cover after this record video, we can cover that browser context. So that's a very important concept. So browsers, there is a context, browser context is there one more. So we can have a search option here. Search. Okay. Browser context. Yeah, here it is. I don't know. So previously it didn't appear. So browser context is it provides a feature to run your test case on multiple independent browser sessions. You can run different browser sessions. All are independent. There is no dependency. One browser session won't affect other browser session. So that is completely isolated. So that's called a browser context. We can use that feature if you want. You want to open two different sessions in entirely different browsers, and this browser context will not the tab. Okay, so I'm not talking about the tab. I'm talking about entirely different browser. So new incognito window, so system should open the browser. So Playwright will do that. So with this browser context concept. Okay, so that browser context equal to browser dot new context. This is the one which gives us a new incognito browser will open for us. So that's what I'm going to handle this. So I need that. Let me page. I don't want. So I just want. Yeah, I'll remove all these things. So browser type. I'll get a browser type. So with this option, so set headless. So this one I'll take it later. Okay. So this will give you set headless will give you a launch options. Okay. Launch options, and you can say headless. So you can take this new browser type. Why it new browser type. So after this, I'll use the Playwright dot Chromium or whichever the browser you want, right? Whichever the browser you want to launch it. So using this, so you can set up this Playwright dot the browser type. So what browser you want to open. So here I can set up the browser type. So browser type and browser type equal to, so pw dot chromium dot, yeah, just set the Chromium launch. I will call in the below. So now using this browser type, I will launch launch it. So browser type dot launch, and you can give the headless. So headless. So you can give headless, and then so this will return. You can see that this launch method will return for us a browser, the browser object. Browser equal to, so that is what it is returning. Now using this browser, you can launch your new context. So that's what, right, we have seen here. So the browser, so this is the one I want. So this is the browser context you are getting here. So with this browser, you are creating a browser dot new context. So import this browser context. And I'll show you, I'm going to launch two different websites. And so how to do that in the same browser. I can open another tab also, new tab. And then you can open a new tab also, same URL or whichever you want. How many tabs you want, you can open. So that is another thing. And I want to create from this context, I want to create a page. So let's create the page now. So context dot new page. So you can create a new page. So the new page is returning page object. So all this return type, please remember that that is a very, very important. Okay. Yeah. So now you can navigate page dot navigate and the URL. So the URL I'm going to use is there is a, so another testing website you can use. So bookcart dot, let me take that. Thing somewhere. Okay, I got it. Bookcart dot Azure. So it is uploaded in the Azure website. So that's why they are given one of our testing guy created this .NET for, you can use for testing purpose. So this is the website. So this is the one. So this is the testing purpose they created, and you can log in. Right, you can log in. So just log in, and you need to click on this login. Okay, you need to click on this login before coming to this. So I identify this with XPath also you can use. So you can use XPath also, right? You can use XPath also. I can copy this XPath. So first you need to click on that login link. Click on login link on top right side. Page dot locator. Just give this XPath dot click. So once you click on that, you're getting these options, right? Login with so this. You can take whatever you want, locators. Should show input, right? Okay, where is input tag? Okay, let me take this. Okay, so here is no CSS selector also we have. Let's take this and I'll copy this. One element. This is very, very big. Huh? Let me use this. What is this? At least this is also big, but yeah, let's use, we need to just type it, okay? Type the username. page dot locator. Too big. Can we cut down this? At MDC text field. Too big. I don't want to give this much big. So what I'm going to do, I'll shortcut it. How can I shortcut? So contains. Let's use contains. Dot type. So the password is sorry, username is Ortoni. That's a password username. Password is pass 123 at the rate. The same way you can create this one. Yeah, we have here. Let's take this. It's a clear one. Type password. Page dot locator. Dot type. Pass 123 4 $. That's a password. So simple thing. Oh, it's let's use fill. Okay, fill you can use. Then click on login button. So identify the login button. I can take from its index is showing. Okay, two are there. That's why it is complaining. There is a button class MD is there, so it's very big. I can take this and I can shortcut it. So let's shortcut it. Page dot locator. So you don't need to write a by dot XPath, all these things. It is very, very big now. Only this is enough, right? All these things. Oh, maybe that is going to give some duplicate things. That's why we are doing. So let me remove these things. Mm. Remaining thing, okay. Dot click. Once we log in, so let's log in first. Correct. Alright. So the password, username, password is not working. I can register quickly. Yeah, so it logged in. So I'll use this Ramesh PW test. Okay, so let's use Ramesh PW test, and I given here test 123 $. Okay, so then I need to get this one. So this text I need to get. So that text will get it. So how to get this text? So maybe I can take help from, oh no, let's use this. Contents is using this one. CSS selector will use. I'll use a CSS selector. So I need to get that. How can you get the text? You know, right? Text content, right? So text content you can use. So let's get that text. So that's one thing. It returns a string value. String username equal to, so page dot locator, and give this CSS selector. Too big. It's okay. Dot text content. So let's print this. Let's print this. Sys out username. So then you can close context. So maybe context dot close, and then so playwright PW, right? We have taken PW dot close. Yeah, so we are doing a record, but as a recording, I haven't implemented it. I'll implement that. Okay, so just coming to that part. So I'll just show you that how to implement. So this video recording. First, let's run this, whether it is running or not. Then I'll just go there and I'll implement the recording concept. Oh, it failed. So there is some issue. I think what is the issue? Strict mode version locator will resolve it to two elements. Set has a text username first. Okay, so there is two things are there. Okay, that is the problem. Locator div dot filter new. So it is asking to use this one. Username. Maybe this one. Let's use this to identify the username password. Locator dot. So it didn't help for us. So whatever they are giving, that we can use. Pattern. Yeah. And password visibility of and password visibility. Let's see this. It should go fine now. Still failed. Element is not an input. Text area. Element. So is not an input. Text area. Okay. Mm, okay. So let's record, right? Record a video. Okay, whatever it is, no, that is not our objective. The test case. Let's record the video. So how to record the video? Just will include that. Uh, this code maybe I'll just copy from a different one. Otherwise, SAS demo is working right for us. Let me take SAS demo. Mm. Oh, already recording we are done. Okay, so that is a different one. Okay. SAS demo. Let me take this one. I'll take this one. Yeah. So now what we need to do is wherever this browser context is there is this place we have to give a new context and options we have to give. So there is a new browser and then dot new. So there is a new context options. Can you see there is a new context options which return the browser object dot and you have to set recording capability. You have to import all this. So this is the problem. So dot set record video directory. So there's the record video directory here it is. So video size, you can specify video, set record video directory we want. So I'm setting the directory. So just let me set, so that we'll get some idea here. So I'm in the same directory in the project directory I'm setting. So get method. So I'm giving videos. Okay. So videos slash. So under this, it will store the video. Copy, cancel this. Once that is done, okay. So even I'll set the, let me set the, even the size also. Set record video size. So you can give width and height. I'll give 1280 and 720. That's a normal, our standard pixels, our screen pixel thing we are giving. Then, so this context dot new page. So let's see this. Yeah, done, right? So let's go here, refresh. There is a option for us videos. See, this is the WebM is nothing but a MP. So the video content. Now I will go to the location of the project. Okay. Go to the location of the project. It will play. You can play the video also. You can see this one. Okay. So let's watch this. See, so it's very quick because so very, just 2 seconds only. That's why it is very fast. But if you take lengthy, and it is going to give you nice. So from the beginning, you will get a nice options. So that's the how to take the screen, videos and screenshots, right? So that is the one. So let's see the last one. I want to explain about so browser context. So quickly we'll use this browser context. So basically the browser context is similar, something similar to this one. Let me create a one test case quickly. The browser context, I will create a new one. So as I already mentioned, browser context means so independent new browsers you can open, new browser windows you can open, or new tabs also you can open. So both you can do. So that is what this how you can open multiple tabs, and I'll show you that how to open multiple tabs also. So let me take all this as it is. See again here a Playwright object we are creating, then browser type. So then we are headless mode, we are going headed mode, and then browser type. So the context is we don't need this, right? This all we don't need. So just recording, if you need it, take this. Otherwise, you don't need this. So then here, the new context is so just so context dot new page. So you got a one page, and that page you are opening. Okay, so that page you are opening. But I want to open another tab also in the same. Okay, another tab I want to open. So how can we open another tab? So let's see. So same you take this one. I'll just open. Okay, I'll just open this. I won't log in, but I'll just do this. Opening new tab in the same, so the browser new page, I'm opening I'm going to give this new tab, okay? New tab. So just replace wherever this page is there, okay? So this is the main page opened, and on this same session, I'm creating another new tab. So then this website will open, okay? So let's go and run this. Now you see what will happen. Otherwise, you just comment out to observe that. So I'm just opening a new tab now. So now you can open multiple tabs, but the same session will be continued. So remember that. See, another session is continued. Okay, so why didn't log in? It should log in, right? Is dot navigate. Here see the browser dot new context. That context we open a new page, and that page another tab I am opening here. So tab is opened, right? Tab is open. You can see here. See, this is the one tab. This is the one tab. But why this hasn't gone? Okay, so our login we have to see that. But like this you can open n number of tabs if you want to open, but they will share all the same cookies, same session, everything. And so if you log in, and here also will log in automatically, right? So that's this new tab means. So, but how to open it? This is the file, right? This is the file. You can open n number of tabs like this. But if you want a complete new incognito window, not a new tab. I'm talking about new incognito window. So how can you open that, right? So just take another browser context, okay? Take another browser context, right? So you take another browser context. So say this, another browser context, and I can give this a context to 2, okay? So same, you replace that here. Now it will what will happen? A new, so completely new window will open, okay? So completely a new window will open. So now just give here. So that's what complete new window will open here. So this is the context means every context you can create n number of contexts, like n number of windows you can create independently. So this will be so isolated and this will be isolated. So that's what you can see now. See, 2 windows will open. One is logged in, another one is say it didn't log in. See, this is the logged in session. Yeah, already logged in, but yeah, so okay. So this is the entirely 2 different sessions. It will be open to us. So that is this uh, new context window means. So context window will open that. So any questions here? How to do? For example, I want to do something on this again. Let's open again. So I don't want to click this. Let's keep it side, okay? Run again. Oh, we are logging out here. Okay, that is the reason it is coming to this stage. So I won't log out, okay? So let me show you. I won't log out here. So this I'll comment out. So I won't log out. Basically, we are logging. I'll run this in the WebKit. Where is that? Instead of this, WebKit. So Chrome, Firefox, I have shown you. WebKit, I'm showing now. Right? See, two browsers is open to you guys. See that? Right? Both you can see. So one is logged in and another one is entirely different. So this is the browser context, means isolated environments you can run with this browser context. You can create n number of contexts like that. So there is one more. First, this one is showing, right? When you run, this is showing, right, on top of one by one. Let me give you one more. But when you're running in headless mode, that doesn't help you. But I want to show you that also. So let's see now which one is opening first. So first we'll open the login one. So then you're getting here. But I want to do something here, okay? On this back, so whatever the back side is there, right? So here I want to do something, maybe some searching the product or something, right? So I want to do that. How can we do here? Sorry, here I want to filter it something, right? So how can we do that? So such cases, this will be back and it won't, it won't be visible what you are doing here. So in order to do that, to make it a front, okay, so you want to do this front, not the latter opened one. So what you can do, simply, you can write a simple code. So the page dot, there is a bring front method is there. So bring front method. So now I am giving so this page means first one, right? This one.